Guys, today is exactly 1 week and 1 day. Today is Friday, and I must tell you guys the truth that agriculture, that you need to start farming. Yes, I must tell you the truth. We all need to start farming. If you look at this video where we are making this video now, before now I made a video, posted it I think yesterday or thereabout, or 2 days ago, and in that video, I think it's yesterday, I was trying to tell you how you can start your scent leaf farming from the comfort of your home behind your house. And I know many people will still look at it like it's not possible because scent leaf, there is a way they need to plant it, and you need this thing. It's okay. Yes, it's okay. But that's why I made a statement in that video, and I said, we agriculturals, we are researchers, we are finders, we are path finders. Yes, because I will tell you the truth that from my own perspective before now, I never thought that scent leaf could be planted this way. I thought that okay, there wouldn't, because you know there is always a seed that comes with scent leaf. I thought that you only throw the seed where you just go and then put it, sprinkle it on the ground, and then it starts flourishing. But to this particular, there's a video I made, and in this video I'm showing you guys this is exactly 1 week and 1 day. Today is Friday. It was Thursday of last week which we planted, and Thursday of this week make it 1 week, and today is making it 1 week and 1 day. And I can tell you that these guys are doing well. Like you can see, if you look at it in this video, you will see you can see that flowers are coming up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I think 11 of scent leaf stems or sticks planted, and I'm so surprised that all of them are already fruiting. Flowers are coming in just 1 week and 1 day. guys, you need to start this scent leaf farming. Is one of the lucrative farming anybody can venture into. One of the lucrative farming. You see this scent leaf, just look at it in this video, you will see their fruit. They have already started bearing, their flowers are coming, and I'm so happy. I must tell us the truth, I'm so happy. In just 1 week and 1 day, I'll be bringing you guys update. This is just 1 week and 1 day of my scent leaf plant, and you can see the way they are doing. So I'll be bringing you guys again another video, another 1 week after today. That is by next week, Thursday, Friday. I'll be bringing another video again so we can see how far they are going. We will be making a compilation of these videos, but for now we'll be taking it one step at a time. We will show you, today is the first 1 week and 1 day of this, and you can see the way they're already behaving. They're already doing well. This is a pointer that you self can start scent leaf farming behind your house. It is a pointer that you self can start it. It is a pointer that every average Nigerian can start scent leaf farming with little or no capital. Just rush to the market, buy a scent leaf of 500 naira or 200, come back, pull out the leaves which you'll be using to cook. After that, pin those sticks back behind your house in a very nice space, and then keep a close look. Well, the reason why we are not watering them is because there is rainfall. There's been continuous rainfall, but once it starts going down, we'll start watering them to make sure that they remain ever fresh. So this is a pointer that even you that you're watching me right now, you can venture into scent leaf farming and still make a living out of it. Yes, if you cannot venture into plantain, if you cannot venture into palm farming, if you cannot venture into any other pawpaw, any whatsoever, you can venture into scent leaf farming today and still make it in life. If you watch this video to this point, what you have to do for me is give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and above all, subscribe and turn on that post notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we bring up latest information about agriculture and everything that revolves around agri. I'll see you guys in my next video. This is Farm with E and J. Bye.